Hi, Woodgate parents. Jim's quiet. It's usually not quiet. It's usually full of lots of energy, lots of voices, lots of laughter, and that's the way I like it. I just tell you a little bit about me. I grew up not too far from here, and I started teaching a long time ago. And I started at Rosebud Lot, and then I got to Midway as fast as I could. I spent 29 years at the high school being the head volleyball coach and assistant boys and girls track. And then I've been at Woodgate. This is starting my 8th year. So if I've done my math correctly, this is year 41. It's just amazing where the time has gone. I got a bachelor's degree from the University of Mary Hardin-Baylor, and then when I moved to Waco, I worked on my master's degree, and I have a master's degree in education from Baylor. Love what I do. Just a little bit, something fun about me is that most people don't know is that I grew up on a farm and a ranch. There were many a day I was up on a horse, bright and early morning, rounding up cattle, and I rode for a long time. I haven't been on a horse in a long time now, but I can still ride and I can still saddle a horse. So if you need that information, there you go. The two courses I teach here at Woodgate are girls pre-athletics and then a Coed PE class. First, let me talk about the Coed PE class. Of course, it's obviously boys and girls, and we will hit all the major sports and some other games too. I will teach them the skills, probably not as intensely as I teach them in pre-athletics, and then we will play that game and that sport for some days so that they can work on their skills and have some fun and learn about that. We also work on fitness every day. And in girls pre-athletics, the level's a little bit higher, and the expectation is that because we're trying to teach them the discipline of what it takes to be an athlete at Midway. So the physical fitness is a little bit tougher, and we spend more time in the actual skills of the sport. And then, of course, we do play, and there's always fun mixed in with all of those things. Where I would like to ask you for your help is to encourage your child to participate to the very best every day. Now, I know every day, sometimes it can look a little different, but if you would just encourage them to do that, and then also to be active outside of school, find something they enjoy. It may even just be walking, riding bikes, but be active outside of school. I try to look at their time in the gym as a way away from technology, and so that they can just disconnect for a little while and run and do some things that are hopefully active and fun to improve their fitness, their knowledge, and their skill level. What I also want you to know about me is that I value your child. I look forward to the opportunity to work with them each and every day, and I just want you to know that I'm looking forward to the opportunity to spend this year with your child. As far as contacting me, because I am a retiree hire, I do not have a conference time. And usually around noon, I do not look at email anymore because I'm really busy in the gym. It's just go, 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 go. So it would probably be after 4 o'clock before I saw an email. So if you really need to get a hold of me, maybe the day before or earlier in the morning, because I will look before I come to work. But if it's during that time where I'm teaching, I'm probably not going to see your email. So I will return your email. I will return your calls. It just may not be as quick as I would like for it to be. Okay? I'm looking forward to this year. It's going to be full of adventure, fun, experiences, and laughter. Again, I just want to remind you that I value your child and I value the opportunity to be with them this year. Well, this is Coach Angell, and if I can ever be of any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact me. Bye.